to make a cover for this little area up here. So how do we get the template? Like, what I'm gonna do is this. The way I'm gonna get the template is, I'm gonna make a slit up the center to get around that antenna or that light pole there. And then I'm gonna tie off to this bar underneath the antenna to keep it stable. I'm gonna do all that in the center. The slit's gonna keep it center. The strap's gonna keep it from moving. On this side, we're gonna have to have a cutout around here with like some kind of zipper strappy thing. At any rate, all that over there is gonna allow me to pull this direction and figure this out. And once I got all that done, it can't move anymore. And bam, we can make our cover. All right, if you see it blowing in the wind right now, you can illustrate why I had to tie it down the way I did so that we can get our template. This is a whole layer in making this stuff. We're out on the water. Get a view around this gorgeous, beautiful place we're at right now. Come on now. This is some $1 million, quadrillion dollar property stuff here, ladies and gentlemen. This is gorgeous. However, I gotta stand on 1 foot precariously over the water trying to breach something impossible. So it has to be tied down tightly. It is a beautiful day out here. We don't get that many days in Florida that are this nice. Coming off a California trip like this, this is pretty nice out here now. A little cold in California, surprisingly. I forgot the no humidity thing and how blistering hot it is here all the time. And then by like tomorrow morning, I should be able to come back out here. Well, it's late in the day. Tomorrow, we should be able to come back out here and pin the rest of this and leave a tripod and everything on.